when we cut the steel tube off, you missed all the fun. Purposely, it did not turn up. Either the cameraman was sleeping. Some guy wanted to know how the bike, he didn't have a picture of the bike while done running yet on the motor.
Oh, really?
Maybe because we haven't done it yet.
Yeah, exactly.
Some people are impatient. And here comes our steel. We got to cut some more so we didn't take that mark out. So that gouge mark is still in there.
Yeah.
We put that in there. What's up with that?
I know, right?
Careful how far we go in that. That was too much. You hear the sudden impact and then it didn't cut off. Could be a nick in that fork now. It looked like there was clowns. This time? Ooh,
yeah.
That's how close it was. Maybe I didn't hit that exhaust port. I don't see the neck. It's close though. I guess that mark was only a quarter of a thou high. Oh, it's in there.
Good enough?
Oh, yeah.
Just kissed it.
Yeah, well, we won't show anybody.
No.
Secret.
No one will know.
Yeah, no one knows. Top secret. I think it's a little bit better since I sharpened the bit after we killed
Yeah.
it. Still crappy though. Left there. Yep. My fingernail catching it. It's there on purpose so it makes the gasket seal better.
Exactly. Tighten up those tolerances.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what that's for. Catching on it. Not this way though. I mean this way. Cutter goes up high, clears and drops down, so it doesn't cut right to the surface. Even though it leaves a mark. Damn. So is that bad enough to go back over again is the problem. It's not very tall. The gasket might suck that up though. I think we're alright. We don't need to keep milling off. It's a lot flatter than the other head was. So we're going to still have to open that hole up a little bit for flow.
Yeah, same as the other one.
The other head you already took away, didn't do that too, did you?
Nope.
Yeah, figures. Is there a reason why you didn't want to cut that? You don't have a drill bit for it, right?
Exactly.
That was the reason. I knew there was a reason.
There's a reason.
Alright, so this one is super tight over here. How much compression we had on that fin. There's a lot of springiness in that head. SD says you can't break their fins off without a big hammer. Without a big clamp.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, there's an oil leak. Look at that special textured finish I use. It's called crappy ass mill. I can see I made it that way on purpose.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's good. Who did all the scratches? It's that used head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, who's been abusing that thing? Oh well. So this is the one we did the oil leak fix. Hole was over here somewhere, wasn't it?
Yeah. Right there.
Right there where that black spot is.
Mm-hmm.
The oil mark. It ain't leaking there no more. Okay, we need to get that hole opened up. Remember what size hole it was? Yeah, it was that size.
What size was that? 3/8, isn't it? No.
3/8, yeah, that was it. 3/8 of an inch hole. That's what that was. We were using a 1/16, remember? And then one more above that. Who did that? My hand drill. I'm going to drop down that one. Whatever that size is. It's stainless. Okay, this is the angle it's supposed to be at. So now I got the angle down.
That first one was just an angle guide.
Well, it's hard to tell because it was smushed. Somebody heathenized it with a big ass hammer. Looks like there's a hole in there now. Look at that. How big of a hole are we going to go to? 128 was the one that did not fit. So this is 120. Because it was 125 was the hole.
Mm-hmm.
1/8 inch. Appears to be opened up. So I can deburr that.
Maybe a larger size drill bit, and then we can.
At the angle?
Maybe not.
Be hard to do. I know how I'd like to do it. Big burr. A burr against it. Another bird, that small though, do we? Probably not over here. What do we have in here to play? Ooh, I got one of these. No, this is fancy. Ooh, I got one of those. Look at that. Unibit. See, that looks like it's pretty small, but in the real world it's way too big to even go in a hole. I don't think that would cut very good. We can try though. I haven't killed it yet, so it's always an opportunity to do that.
Okay.
What the hell? Might as well see if it's going to hold up under abuse. Does that make a difference when it moves on me? Ooh, look at that. That works good. Dull file. Hear that aluminum stainless sticking up. See, that way we're going over the top of it. This way here we're hitting the side of it. Those are sharp. Let's see, if we use this, we have a big opportunity to screw things up. That means we're going to go for it. So you can go right across the whole surface with a gouge mark in it. I've done that before.
Okay.
More than once. D bird. There you go. Looks a little better.
Much better.
Still pretty rough. My mill is not as good as it should be. The gasket will definitely bite in there good. So, trying to knock it off. Ooh, look, somebody put a big gouge right there. Who did that? Oh, we weren't supposed to show that.
No,
Oops.
yeah, that was supposed to be the secret.
Oh, yeah, too late. Secret's out. Scooby didn't tell me not to tell everybody. Appears to be pretty flat. Don't even see the marks. Yeah. This keeps you from doing much file sanding. It's kind of in the way. Change angle slightly like that. And a slight change in angle. Just want to make sure you don't make this a high spot through here. So, so I gave it a couple different angles. You can see how pretty much it goes away right here. You see it's still high over here a little bit. think that's good enough what we need. It's definitely not sticking up enough to make much difference. Alright. Where's the other one? Whose is this? Oh, this one doesn't have the big nick in there. What happened there?
Oh, that's on the bench over here.
Feel left out? Special cooling groove that we had in there.
Exactly.
Angles like that. Pretty good. I'm doing these by hand now, see? We don't need no fancy drill.
Nope.
Finger file. Finger drill. It's finger drill. So you do it. Okay, we all gotta do this one. This one I will not do by hand. Make sure you're well centered. Alright, fancy. See, this one doesn't have nearly as much of a high spot. Okay, let's do some sanding on this one. I also used that, it's got red seals on it. Pay extra for those. Ooh. Higher pin chatter. Oh, look how bad that is. That one just about disappears. What's that big nick right there? Who did that? See, that tube just about disappeared because we had a better cut on the head. That's how it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to be able to see the repair. That other one, the other one's the one that rolled way over, so it probably expanded the hole out a little bit. So you had more actual stainless showing. That's the way you could see it. But yeah, that one just about disappeared. I think that one's already good. You only need a couple swipes. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, where's the other two heads? I need one more head. Go grab me the one that doesn't need to be welded.
Okay. This one, right?
This one's got some elephant snot in here. Thought you cleaned this.
Not yet. I think that's the right one.
This is a brand new virgin head. See, it's a real smooth finish. Like it's sanded or something. So how flat do you think that really is? Whenever I see something really sanded like that, I think it's not very flat at all. So this one's got seals on it, but it's never been run. Looks like they did an assembly on it at one time. But I don't see a valve job. That doesn't make sense. Alright, let's see how good this one is. Now this is the other head, so I'm going to figure out the limitation how I'm going to hold it. See the waves and the sand marks?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's hitting heavy here, but not here?
Yeah, low spot there.
what you can do on this one. See, it's not flat. You can see all the low spots, low spot, high spot, low spot. See, that's why I don't like smooth surfaces. I don't think they're flat when I see them. Appears to be not flat, right? Now the other question is, how flat is this surface that I'm making? That's the question. So is it me, or is it the head that's not flat? See, I'm starting to whisker in here a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
This side's getting more even. Close. Couple more hits and call it. Close enough. Don't want to make it perfect, because I know that's not perfect either. Now look at the light, how you can really see it. See it in the light, the haze?
Yeah.
It really highlights the unevenness. You thought this was the good side, but see, it's not. It's all low. This is actually coming in better than this side, and we thought this was the good side here, but that's because it's so heavy through here.
Right.
So it's weird how the head is expanded like that, but they obviously did the surface before they did some other machining, which let the head warp around. So if you put valve seats in it, that might make it expand that way, because the way the seats are in there. They might have potato chipped on you like that a little bit from the pressure. That'd be my guess, because it's a pretty hard line right through here. So that seat's pretty thin through here. You know, it's really thin all through here. But bent that whole thing up, I don't know. But it's good enough to seal with. Good thing it's not your head.
Exactly.
All right, that's it for those for now.